Welcome to the show, Pete.
Thank you.
All right, now you're an IT officer.
I am.
And you're in Sheffield.
I live in Sheffield, but I work in Rotherham.
OK, what do you do for your spare time?
Very keen on my sports. In my younger days, I used to play football to quite a decent level. I played a lot of cricket, but now I'm more on the coaching side. I coach my stepson's junior cricket team.
Oh, OK, fair enough. And if you won some money today, what would you do with it?
There's a bit of a battle at our house that the kids want to go to Florida to see Mickey Mouse, but the wife wants a kitchen. We've got a kitchen. I'm not saying we don't have a kitchen, but we just need to, you know, maybe improve the kitchen and do a few improvements on the house.
What's the wife's name?
Rachel.
Rachel, you've got a kitchen. How many kitchens do you want, love?